Hello everyone, welcome to Marathi reading and listening practice session. It's 30th of April today, which is birth anniversary of Tukdoji Maharaj. Tukdoji Maharaj is a holy saint from Maharashtra, and he was also a social reformer. It's his birth anniversary today, so I decided to select few poems, his very popular poems in Marathi, and I will explain you them in English. So let's first quickly know about him. तुकडोजी महाराज यांना राष्ट्रसंत म्हणून ओळखले जाते. अंधश्रद्धा निर्मूलन व जातीभेदाच्या निर्मूलनासाठी त्यांनी भजनांचा आणि कीर्तनाचा प्रभावीपणे वापर केला. सो तुकडोजी महाराज is known as राष्ट्रसंत, saint of the whole nation. Andhashraddha Nirmulan means eradication. So eradication of blind beliefs which prevailed in society, and casteism. So for eradication of these things, he effectively used bhajans and kirtans, which are the forms of type of songs used in religious activities. आत्मसंयमनाचे विचार त्यांनी ग्रामगीता या काव्यातून मांडले. त्यांनी मराठी व हिंदी भाषांमध्ये काव्यरचना केली आहे. सो in his poetry named Gramagita, he has put forward the thoughts about Atma Sanyaman, self-control, and he has written poetry in Marathi and Hindi languages. Kavya Rachana means construction. So Kavya Rachana here means writing poetry. स्वातंत्र्य लढ्यात आणि राष्ट्रकार्यात हिरिरीने सहभागी झाले. त्यांच्या कार्यामुळे ते राष्ट्रसंत बनले. तुकडोजी महाराजांनी सन 1935 मध्ये मोझरी येथे गुरुकुंज आश्रमाची स्थापना केली. खंजिरी भजन हा प्रकार त्यांच्या प्रबोधनाचे मुख्य वैशिष्ट्य होते. तुकडोजी महाराजांनी सुमारे 50 ग्रंथांची निर्मिती केली असून त्यांचे अप्रकाशित वाङ्मयही बरेच आहे. स्वातंत्र्य लढा, फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल, राष्ट्रकार्य, the work for the nation or nation building work, hiririne, emphatically. So Tukdoji Maharaj emphatically participated in freedom struggle and the nation building work. त्यांच्या कार्यामुळे ते राष्ट्रसंत बनले. Because of his work, he became the saint of the nation. Then he established Gurukunja Ashram in 1935 at Mozari. Khanjiri bhajan using tambourine, one you can see in this picture. हा प्रकार, this type, त्यांच्या प्रबोधनाचे मुख्य वैशिष्ट्य होते. This was the main type of his enlightenment or preaching. The way he preached, he used the खंजिरी भजन effectively. तुकडोजी महाराजांनी सुमारे 50 ग्रंथांची निर्मिती केली असून he has written or created 50 books, and his unpublished literature is also a lot. So he has also written a lot of literature if is not yet published as book. So now let's read his very popular poem या झोपडीत माझ्या. Please pause the video and try to read it. Okay, let me start. I will try to sing it in a tune but slowly. राजास जी महाली सौख्ये कधी मिळाली, ती सर्व प्राप्त झाली या झोपडीत माझ्या. भूमीवरी पडावे, ताऱ्यांकडे पहावे, प्रभु नाम नित्य गावे या झोपडीत माझ्या. पहारे आणि तिजोऱ्या त्यातून होती चोऱ्या, दारास नाही दोऱ्या या झोपडीत माझ्या, जाता तया महाला मज्जाव शब्द आला, भीतीन यावयाला या झोपडीत माझ्या. महाली मऊ बिछाने कंदील श्यामदाने, आम्हा जमीन माने या झोपडीत माझ्या. येता तरी सुखे या, जाता तरी सुखे या. येता तरी सुखे या, जाता तरी सुखे जा. कोणावरी न बोजा या झोपडीत माझ्या. पाहून सौख्य माझे देवेंद्र तोही लाजे, शांती सदा विराजे या झोपडीत माझ्या. तुकड्यामती करावी पायी तुझ्या नमावी, मूर्ती तुझी रहावी या झोपडीत माझ्या. So in this poem, Tukdoji Maharaj is trying to give a message that the life with lot of physical comforts is not the one which will give you the mental or emotional satisfaction, and his way of life of simplicity is what is giving him the happiness which one can imagine to get it from the physical comforts. So let's see what he wants to say. Rajas ji mahali saukhye kadhi milali. Saukhya means comfort or pleasures. The pleasures or comfort which king got in his palace, ती सर्व प्राप्त झाली. I got all them या झोपडीत माझ्या, in my hut, in this of my hut. भूमीवरी पडावे, पडणे means to lie down, lie down on the floor. ताऱ्यांकडे पहावे, gaze the stars. प्रभुनाम नित्य गावे, always chant the God's name. या झोपडीत माझ्या, in this hut. पहारे आणि तिजोऱ्या. Pahare is guard or the patrolling which is surrounded, patrolling which happens around the palace of a king. Tizoria, the safe vaults which stores lot of wealth. त्यातून होती चोऱ्या. Chori means theft, but still thefts happen in despite all these patrollings and guards. Whereas daras nahi dorya, there are not even string attached to the doors. Ya झोपडीत माझ्या, in my hut. So that is so open. Jata taya mahala, when you go to that palace. Majjav shabda ala. Majjav means wait, stop, don't go, don't enter. So you are restricted going into the palace. Bhiti na yavayala ya झोपडीत माझ्या. But there is no fear, you need not fear if you want to enter my hut. Mahali mau bichhane, kandila shamadane. So in the palace there are very comfortable beddings, comfortable beds and lanterns and all kind of ornamental lights. Amha zameen mane, but for me the simple floor, the simple earth, soil itself suits. Ya झोपडीत माझ्या, but in my hut I have just earth and that suits me. Yeta tari sukhe ya, if you want to come, please come happily or feel free to come. Jata tari sukhe ja, if you want to go, feel free to go. Konavari na boja, there is no restriction, there is no burden. Ya झोपडीत माझ्या, in this hut. Pahun saukhya माझे. So with such a simple life I am so happy that looking at my happiness, Devendra tohi laje. Devendra means the king of lords, king of gods, he is also feeling ashamed that such a humble person is so happy and satisfied, because Shanti Sada Viraje, because peace always prevails, या झोपडीत माझ्या, in my hut. Tukadya mati karavi. So generally in the poem, in the last stanza, the poet writes his or her name. So here the poet Tukdoji Maharaj, so his nickname or short form will be Tukadya. So Tukadya says to God that Tukadya mati karavi, pai tujha namavi. That is requesting God that I should always be devoted to you. Pai tujha namavi, I will always have reverence at your feet. Murti tujhi rahavi, ya jhopadita macha. And may your idol, or in this case, may your presence always be there in my hut. So that is a very beautiful and meaningful poem, Ya Jhopadita Majha, from Tukdoji Maharaj. Let's read another poem from him. Dev Bazarcha Bhajipala Nahi Re. So you can listen to this poem, I think, on the YouTube in his original voice. It is there. Let's read it. मनी नाही भाव म्हणे देवा मला पाव, देव आशानं भेटायचा नाही रे. देव आशानं भेटायचा नाही रे, देव बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही रे. दगडाचा देव त्याला वडराचं भेव, लाकडाचा देव त्याला अग्नीचं भेव, मातीचा देव त्याला पाण्याचं भेव, सोन्या चांदीचा देव त्याला चोराचं भेव, देव बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही रे. देवाचं देवत्व नाही दगडात, देवाचं देवत्व नाही लाकडात, सोन्या चांदीत नाही देवाची मात, देव बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही रे. भाव तिथं देव ही संतांची वाणी, आचारा वाचून पाहिला का कोणी, शब्दाच्या बोलानं शांती नाही मनी, देव बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही रे. देवाचं देवत्व आहे ठाई ठाई, मी तू मेल्या विण अनुभव नाही, तुकड्या दास म्हणे ऐका ही द्वाही, देव बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही रे. So this poem is also sung in a very interesting tune. मनी नाही भाव म्हणे देवा मला पाव, मनी नाही भाव म्हणे देवा मला पाव, देव आशान भेटायचा नाही रे, देव बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही रे, देव बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही रे. So this song is written in what you can say the dialect which is used in the Vidarbha side of Maharashtra. So you will see few words are different, like bhev. Bhev means fear, which in our proper language we call it as bhiti, or Sanskrit word is bhay. So let's see its meaning. In this poem he talks about the way people worship God superficially. They try to bring big idols or put ornaments or construct big prayer houses. But he is saying that unless you have the real devotion towards the Lord, you cannot sense Lord's greatness. And he says that mani nahi bhav म्हणे देवा मला पाव. Money means in the mind, bhav means the emotions or devotion. So there is no devotion in the mind, but you are saying, hey God, bless me. Dev ashana bhetaycha nahi re. You will not meet God this way. Dev bajarcha bhajipala nahi re. God is not the vegetable that you can go and buy for money in the market. दगडाचा देव त्याला वडराचं भेव. Vadar means the person who breaks stone for construction. So if you have created the god's idol from the stone, then yes, it can get affected and get broken. लाकडाचा देव त्याला अग्नीचं भेव. If you say that particular wood is your lord, then the fire can burn it. मातीचा देव त्याला पाण्याचं भेव. If you call particular say mound of earth as your god, then it can get diluted in the water. सोन्या चांदीचा देव त्याला चोराचं भेव. If you call some ornaments or some things of gold and precious stones or silver, then that can get stolen. God is not a thing to be bought in the market. देवाचं देवत्व नाही दगडात. देवत्व means the holiness of God or greatness of the God. So that's not in that particular stone, or it is not in the particular wood. It is सोन्या चांदीत नाही देवाची मात. The greatest is not in the precious stones or the wealth. God is not a thing that you can buy in the market. भाव तिथ देव ही संतांची वाणी. Then what is the God, or how can you attain the grace of God? Bhav titha dev. Wherever there is emotions, wherever there is devotion for the Lord, there exists the God. Hi santanchi vani. This is the sayings of saints. Achara vachun pahila ka koni. Achar means behavior. Achara vachun, normally we will say achara shivai. So without the proper behavior, without following the rules and regulations of a righteous life, pahila ka koni, without doing this, has anyone seen the God? Shabdacha bolana shanti nahi mani. Just by speaking words, just by saying the things about Lord, you cannot feel peace and in your mind. God is not a thing to be bought at market. देवाचं देवत्व आहे ठाई ठाई. ठाई ठाई means at every place. So the Lord's existence, Lord's greatness can be seen in each and every place, in each and every particle in this universe. Me tu मेल्या विण. Me tu means I and you, but it means that your ego, that this is mine, this is yours, and the differences. So unless that ego dies, you cannot experience it. अनुभव नाही. तुकड्या दास म्हणे. तुकड्या means Tukdoji Maharaj. His short form is Tukdya, and he calls himself Das, servant of Lord, and he says that Aikahi Dwahi. Listen to this announcement which he is making. Dev Bazarcha Bhajipala Nahi Re. Lord is not a thing to be bought in the market by money. Money nahi bhav. If you don't have the devotion in your mind and you say, hey Lord, grace me, give me your blessing, then Dev Ashana Bhetaicha Nahi Re. Then you will not meet God this way. So again, this is a very simple song, but has a very profound meaning. And if you listen to this song with the proper tune and music, you will really enjoy its beats. So that's it about today's session. Please let me know what do you think about these videos and this session overall. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will keep getting notification about upcoming videos, and do visit my website learnmarathivithkaushik.com so that you can learn Marathi and Gujarati from English and Marathi. There are many lessons which teach pronunciation, grammar, simple sentences, conversation, and many more. Okay, bye for now. See you next video. Bye.